Hello and welcome to HaXeZ, where today we are looking at the final JavaScript mission on HaXeZ site. It's going to be a quick video because there's not a lot to it, so I'm just going to get straight to it. JavaScript mission number 7, JavaScript obfuscation for the win. Obfuscation, it says I've already completed this mission, but let's go and take a look. So, as with most of these challenges, we get a password input form. I thought that would show my real password then, but we can just check the password and we get back a message saying wrong, try again. Now if we inspect it, first of all, we get a bunch of garbage essentially. Just going to zoom in quickly. Wrong one. There you go. So you can see all these sort of hex values that are encoded, so we can't see the script. Now there is a really simple way to solve this mission. Instead of clicking the box and inspecting, right click the password box and click inspect, and what will happen is it will show you the actual function that's happening when you click the button, the JavaScript function that's happening. So it's checking the user value pass, so whatever you submit to the password form is getting put into pass, and then it's being checked against the value due win. J00W1N, which if we submit to the password submission system will pass the mission for us. However, that's too easy, and I don't think that's the way that the developers intended it. So if we actually do it the proper way and we click inspect, then what we can do is if we go back to the garbled data and we select everything from the start of the open bracket all the way to the end, but you can't see it because my screen's covering it, we can head over to CyberChef and we can input the value in there and use the magic recipe on it to have the same effect. Button on click JavaScript document get element, yeah, and there you can see the password is there too. So if we copy that out and submit it to the check password box, we should get a you win. And that's it. That's all there is to it. That's all of the JavaScript missions now complete. As you can see by going to my profile, that's all of them done. It's now highlighted in white. Hallelujah. But that's it. And really the lesson that could be learned from this is don't use client-side values to store sensitive passwords. Use better obfuscation techniques. And that's it from me. Kind regards.